Hello, I am Andy with Integrity Data Insights, and today I wanted to do something a little bit different. With all the buzz with the World Cup coming to a finale shortly here in the United States, I wanted to look at some PowerBI dashboards that others have created. So I found some really good ones and thought we'd take a look real quick just to show what others have done. So this one that you're seeing on the screen now, it's very aesthetically pleasing. You can see they use some kind of background image and then overlaid data on top of that. So that's kind of a neat effect. Very visually appealing. And if you look over on the top right here, you will see kind of the different filters you can do. So you can look by stadium or date or round. So let's look at this. And, let's say I want to see everything that was in MetLife Stadium. So I click there. And you could see those different matches there. If I switch to a different, so yeah, really neat. It shows kind of the address of all the stadium locations. You can kind of see in more detail where they are. So that's pretty neat. That's cool. So if you mouse over it, it actually gives you a picture of the stadium. That's cool. So let's see this. Yeah, SoFi Stadium. These other pages down here I thought were really great too. So if I go here, look at the group standings. You can kind of see all the different groups. Let's go over to here, playing. So a lot of information here. Pretty neat. Oh, this is cool. So look at this, the World Cup historical results. So this is great. So look at all the red cards, 3,000 yellow cards. So red cards by player, games by country. So I guess Brazil has been in the most. Goals, penalties, and own goals by minute. Oh, wow. So that's cool. So that kind of shows by minute. So it looks like if you look here, most of the goals happen at the 18-minute mark, if I'm reading this right. It looks like the fewest happen right at the very beginning of the game. So that's pretty neat. Oh, I guess you have to scroll. Okay. So then 100 goes all the way to 104. Huh. But yeah, overall, really great job. Okay, so here's another dashboard, different design. Also very, very nice, very aesthetically pleasing. So World Cup stats and analysis hub. So you can see top score is Messi. Over here, I guess it's by nation. And oh, cool. So if you mouse over, there's a lot of hidden. Oh, look at that. So if you look at USA, Republic. Wow, so it gives you all kinds of different stats. This part confused me at first, but it is pretty neat. It looks like you can kind of pick from different, so you can do like passes. So yeah, really neat. Let's see what else. Wow, just look at this. This is incredible that this is all Power BI. All these different. It looks like you can pick. Like. Huh? Yeah, really cool. And even by position, the price. I don't know what that is. Maybe how much salaries are. Huh. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you next time. Once again, I'm Andy with Integrity Data Insights.